Falls are pretty common in older Americans. 1 out of 4 Americans over the age of 65 will fall within a year. Every second, every day, there's a senior who falls at home. The area where it's more prone to falls is your bathroom. You want to make sure you have grab rails installed in the bathroom and they're attached to the studs on the walls so that makes them sturdy. Another thing you can use is the raised toilet seat, which makes it sturdier and easier to get up from the toilet so that you don't end up falling. Another area that's at risk of falls at home is your kitchen. Anytime you use a sink and you carry any of the water across to another surface and you have a spill, you want to make sure you clean that right away. Area rugs. You want to make sure that any area rug is properly secured down. Use a non-skid surface underneath to make sure that it doesn't slide. Our recommendation is to make sure you get rid of all rugs in your house because those are potential risk factors. As the edges fold over, you can trip over them, causing you to fall. Any kind of clutter within the floor is going to create a risk for falls because it's going to create a trip hazard for you. Let's think of this. If you're getting up in the middle of the night and you're walking over to the bathroom and there are clutter on the floor, that is most likely what's going to cause you to fall. So you want to make sure you clear your floors of all clutter. Putting things away right away reduces your risk for falls. It helps you minimize the risk for injury. One of the risk factors within your home are loose extension cords. If you have an extension cord going across the floor and you're walking in the middle of the night where you may not see that cord, you're going to trip and fall over it. The best way to remove this fall hazard is to get rid of all extension cords within your home. All you want to do is just fold it and put it away so that you won't end up tripping over it, falling, and then getting hurt. You always want to make sure as you're coming down the stairs to hold on to the handrail. This will prevent you from falling or tripping on the stairs. So you want to make sure your stairs are always clear of clutter. If you have poor vision and poor lighting and stairs that don't have a contrast, this can create a problem for you when you walk in or going up the stairs at night and you have poor vision and you can't see well. One of the ways to reduce that risk for falls is using a contrast tape. Okay? All you have to do is put it right on the edge so that you can differentiate the color and the height of the stairs, which reduces your risk for falls. If you do end up having a fall at home, there are 4 simple steps that you can take to ensure that you are safe. 1, stay calm and relax. Take a nice few deep breaths and do a self-body check to make sure you're not hurt anywhere. Crawl to the nearest sturdy chair that you can get up to the chair and have a seat. If you are hurt, make sure you call 911 using your cell phone. Always carry your cell phone with you or a personal emergency alert system that you can activate if you do end up having a fall. Most important is to make sure that you don't remain on the floor. Another thing you can do is call a friend or a neighbor and let them know you've had a fall so that they can come check in on you.